Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable tab hover cards in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this will be enabling and disabling it, I suppose. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is copy a URL I'm going to have in the description of the video to an internal Edge web page here. So just copy it and then go up to the top bar of the URL and then paste it in. Again, this will be in the description of the video. You might have to expand the description of the video if you don't see the full thing, but you can also see it at the top of my screen here as well. So it should take us immediately to the tab hover card section. So enables a pop-up containing tab information to be visible when hovering over a tab. This will replace tooltips for tabs, and this is applicable for Mac and Windows OS devices. So you want to go click inside the drop down here, and if you want to enable it, go select enabled. If you want to disable it, just go select default. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. And once that is done, just go ahead and select this restart button. You will need to relaunch the Microsoft web page in order to actually get that to where we want to be. And there you go. When we hover over it, you can see there's a description of the web page right underneath. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.